Welcome dear student. Today we are going to learn about what is the meaning of place value. Let's begin. Let's start. Look this example. 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. We get the number 35. In the number 35, we have 3 in 10 place. If we open the tens bundles, we get 30 units. That is why the place value of 3 in the number 35 is 30. As 5 is in the unit place. 5 is in unit place. Its place value is 5 because 5 is unit place. Let us see other example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 0 units. We get the number 50. 5 and 0, 50. So student, in the number 50, 5 is in the 10 place. 5 is in the 10 place. We get 50 unit place. 5 is in the 10 place. When we open 5 tens bundles, we get 50 units. Therefore, in the number 50, the place value of 5 is 50. The place value of 5 is 50. In the unit place, we have 0. Whose place value is also 0. You can understand, student? Can you tell the value of each digit in the underline shown below? Yes, let us start. This is units column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. Okay. So student, place value of 6 is 6 because 6 is unit place. Next example. 1, 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. We get the number 26. So student, place value of 6 is 6 and place value of 2 is 20. 2 place value of 20 because 2 is 10 place and 6 place value of 6 because 6 is unit place. Let us see next example. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 1, 2 units. We get the number 42. Student, in the 42, place value of 2 is 2 because 2 is unit place and place value of 4 is 40 because 4 is 10 place. In this example, because 3 is 10 place means 3 tens 30. Tell the place value of each underlined digit. Okay, student? Look here. With this number 1, 8, 18. Which is the underlined digit? 1. Yes. So student, the place value of 1 is 10 because as 1 is in the 10 place. Look here. Unit and tens. So 1 is 10 place. Next 23. Which is the underlined digit number? 3. So student, the place value of 3 is 3. Because as a 3 is in the unit place. Look here, unit place. Next example, 65. Underlined digit 5. So the place value of 5 is 5 because 5 is in the unit place. Look here, 5 is unit place. Next number 72. Which is the underlined digit? 7. So student, you tell me the place value of 7. Yes, very good. The place value of 7 is very good. The place value of 7 is 7070 because 7 is 7070 because 7 is in the 10 place. Next example. Next example 50. So tell me student, which is underlined digit? 0. The place value of 0 is 0. Zero is in units place 40 because as 4 is in tens place.
Next
number 88.
The
The place value of 8 is which is the underline 8?
10
10 place. Okay.
So
So
student,
student
80.
80
Because
as 8 is in tens place.
Next,
Next 88.
The
The place value of 8 is
now
now underline digit
unit
place 8.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So student
the
the place value of 8 is 8 because as 8 is in unit place. Next 61
which is
which is underline digit 6.
The
The place value of 6 is 60 because as 6 is in tens place.
You can
You understood student?
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Write the place value of each digit in the numbers given below. Okay student?
Look here.
Which is number 22.
This
This 2's place value 2 because 2 is unit place and this 2's place value 20 because this 2 is 10 place.
Okay,
Okay student, next number 38.
The
The place value of 8 is 8 because 8 is unit place
and
place value of 3 is 30 because 3 is 10 place. Next 41.
In
the number 41, place value of 1 is 1 because 1 is unit place and place value of 4 is 40 because 4 is in 10 place. Next 60. In the number 60, 0's place value 0 and 6 place value 60 because 6 is 10 place. Next number 95. Place value of 5 is 5 because 5 is unit place and place value of 9 is 90 because 9 is 10 place. You can understand student? Complete your homework in your notebook neatly.